In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view and add a folder. To do this, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this. Then click on Organization. You should arrive at your organization's settings page. To go to your folders, go to your new top menu bar and click on Folders. You should arrive at a list of your folders. To the left, I can see all of my current folders, and if I click on one, I can see that folder's information. I can see what the parent is, the name of the folder, the external ID, and the locations. If you look at my list of folders, you'll see I have East Campus, Main Campus, Stadium, and West Campus. Let's say I want to add something like a South Campus. I can click on Add to create a new folder. Then I need to decide the parent of this folder. If I click the arrow next to Parent, I can choose Top, or I can choose to make this a subfolder within one of the other folders. I'm going to leave this at Top. Next, I need to give this folder a name. I'll click this box, and I will say South Campus. If I wanted, I could provide an external ID. I'll just put 456 to have something in there. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this folder, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now that folder has been created. If I click on South Campus, I can see the details for this folder. Right now, this folder doesn't contain any locations. If I want to use the folder, I need to add some. So I'll click Add under Locations, and I'm going to choose Registration. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this location, click Close. I do, so I will choose Save. And now registration has been added. If I had added a location that was already assigned to another folder, that location would have been taken out of that folder and placed into this one. You can only have a location in one folder at a time. Folders allow you to give managers access to a group of locations instead of to the whole organization. If I want to add a subfolder, I can click on Add Subfolder. Then I'm going to go through the same thing. If I click the arrow next to Parent, I could choose to add this to my current subfolder, or I could choose to add it to a different one. I'll go ahead and leave it on South Campus. Next, I need to give this new folder a name. Maybe I'll say Satellite Campus. If you don't want to add this subfolder, click Close. I do, so I will choose Save. And now I've created that subfolder. To add new locations to that subfolder, I need to click on that folder. Notice in the details for this folder, the parent folder is South Campus. Now to add a location, I'll click Add. Notice that Catering Services doesn't have assigned next to it. Maybe this Catering Services is off campus, so I will click on that one and choose Save. Now that catering service has been added. That's how you can view and create new folders in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to edit and delete your folders.